Millions of years ago, before man, before the ages, when the world was warm and humid, forests like this cover much of the earth, and it was here, long eons of geological time, that the profusions of life evolved. The remnants of these primordial jungles are the rainforests of today. They are home to half of all animal species on Earth, yet in the shady depths of the forest, there is seldom more than a fleeting glimpse of this abundance. When they are seen, the animals are often revealed as strange and splendid examples of natural perfection and adaptation. Myriad in their diversity and sometimes bizarre in form, these creatures give the somber forest a special mystery and splendor. Endless rain and high temperatures create the extreme atmosphere in which rainforests thrive. These conditions occur now only in a narrow belt along the equator where forests blanket some 3 million square miles of the Earth's tropics. Within this belt lies the small Central American country of Costa Rica, which possesses one of the richest natural endowments on Earth. When Christopher Columbus landed here in 1502, he found a mountainous land of rivers and forests like those he had seen 10 years earlier in Hispaniola. Then, in what is perhaps the first description ever of a rainforest, Columbus wrote, "Its lands are most beautiful and filled with trees of 1,000 kinds and tall, and they seem to touch the sky, and I am told that they never lose their foliage, as I can understand, for I saw them as green and as lovely as they are in Spain in May." But it was partly from the earlier explorers that some popular misconceptions arose. For many, the first glimpse of a rainforest was from the rivers that flowed to them. The forest seemed impenetrable, a triangle mass of undergrowth through which a man could only pack a path with difficulty. But in reality, the dim interior is more open and usually easy to move about in. Little light penetrates the dense canopy, and so undergrowth is sparse. Only a thin layer of leaves covers the ground,